Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Sometimes I ask a question and the response I receive is not always linear from point to point. Sometimes I'm given a concept and I have to fill in with the best words I can find. In this week's message, it felt like we were going from A to C to G. So I hope this all makes sense and answers the question in the end. Due to the nature of this platform, I'm going to be careful in the language used to describe the question and the response provided. A question came in for the Galactics regarding the spraying that takes place overhead. Regularity, coverage of vast areas of the world, and composition were a concern for the planet and the creatures living on it. In response, I was first reminded about the information previously given regarding Gaia's health and her ability to heal herself. That message can be found in my Messages from the Galactics Gaia video, which I'll link below. They wanted instead to focus on us and our concerns. For this message, my galactic brother Aharon came forward. He said, "First, let us remind you that you have an innate protection from attack and may call upon the light to surround you at any given moment. As you have spiritually evolved in your ability to understand that there is no death, you have released your fear of what awaits you on the other side of the veil. Spirit communicators and personal visitations have aided in opening humanity's consciousness to a deeper connection with the unseen. Spiritual teachers knew this to be confirmation of their long-held beliefs and encouraged their students to raise their frequency even higher so they might access higher self, soul through the heart center. Soul teachings, soul healing methods, and expansion of consciousness to include us, your soul family, followed. This was not desired by those seeking control. They also shifted, and new approaches to instill fear and lower frequencies came to the fore. The showering occurring at this time is one of those shifts in approach. We remind you that frequency attracts frequency. The intent of those distributing the particles, those who fund the distribution, and those who benefit from it is of a certain frequency. We would say that their frequency is lacking in love and fueled by negative thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Let us say it is a frequency of 25 as it stands by itself. Your frequency of love and kindness is a 90 as it stands by itself. As you are regularly showered each day in these particles, it may pull on your frequency and lower it to an 80 as your body rebalances and cleanses itself through healthy life habits. This constant stress on your body, when combined with other factors such as emotional upsets, incoming galactic and solar ascension energies, existing worries for self, others, and the planet, political and world events, and negative self-talk can easily bring your frequency down from an 80 to 25 or lower. So those behind the showering have a low frequency intent, and now you have a matching frequency and are susceptible to harm as a result. It is here that we wish to remind you once again that protection, love, and light are always available to you. Call upon it and surround yourself at all times. Remember also that your free will is supreme. If you choose to engage in fear, negativity, and lack of self-care for your heart and body, we cannot lift your frequency for you. Balance your concerns with care and nurturing for your body and your surroundings. Approach your actions from a place of love, not driven by fear. Know as more humanity lifts and maintains its higher frequency along a path of ascension, those in negativity will find their acts ineffective and begin to let go. They will eventually fall as you rise, and each will exist in the making of their choices and vibration. Continue as you are and have no fear. Your commitment to evolve was made long ago, and nothing can stop it but you. Remember, you are never alone or without resources. Call upon your higher self, soul family, creator source. We are here too, and will give you our love and support now and always. So there you have it. In simple terms, stay centered in the frequency of love, be kind to yourself, and lift your spirits with joyful play. Holding the vision of a wonderful new earth is how we create the world we want to see. So until next time, as I envision a wonderful new earth, with you and all of us prospering in love and joy, I wish you many, many blessings.